Hi everyone, welcome to Math and Beyond. We have here our problem. Simplify 4x minus 24 over x minus 6. To do that, we are going to factor out first our numerator. What is common between 4x and 24? Take note that our 24 has factors 4 times 6. So now, what is common between the two terms? We have 4 here and 4 for the second term. So therefore, let's take it out. We have 4 times, we are going to write the remaining parameters, x minus 6. Now to check, we are going to distribute 4 times x will give us 4x. 4 times negative 6 will give us back negative 24. So moving on, we are going to copy the denominator x minus 6, and then we can now proceed to cancellation. We can cancel x minus 6 over x minus 6. So we are left with 4. Therefore, our correct answer is option B. That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.